Hey there, I'm Erleen Tilton, the Happy Gut Foodie from erleentilton.com. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make savory sweet potatoes with healthy food alternatives. And you're going to enjoy this, especially if you like meals with sweet potatoes as a side, or you want to stir fry sweet potatoes that are so yummy without all that sugar. So stay tuned.
When people tell me they don't like sweet potatoes, it's really all because of that typical brown sugar marshmallows. Then they taste these herb buttered sweet potatoes and are blown away at the deliciousness. So we're going to start with 3 medium-sized sweet potatoes, bake them, peel them, and then cut them up into about 3/4 inch cubes. Now in your skillet, let's melt 4 tablespoons of butter and then add 1/4 cup of diced onion. Saute it until transparent, and then we're going to add all of those sweet potatoes and give it a stir fry. So this will only take a couple minutes. You can see that this is very simple. So now in a small bowl, add 1 teaspoon of salt and then my secret sauce, 8 drops of lime essential oil, plus 2 drops of coriander essential oil. Both of these are immune boosting and so flavorful. This just makes these sweet potatoes taste so yummy. So you're gonna just add this and then add about 1/4 cup of chopped parsley or cilantro and give it a stir. Stir fry it together. You can see how simple this is and you won't believe how delicious it is. And then it's done. Ready to serve. Enjoy! Make sure you go to the description, ask your questions, comment, let me know what your most important healthy food alternatives are, download my Happy Gut Desserts ebook, then like and subscribe. See you in my next video.